Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back again to my channel, and my name is Javi. In this video I actually wanted to talk about how we can improve our lives without actually trying to improve our lives. That may sound kind of strange, right? Well, here, let's actually observe this. We've been actually trying to improve our lives for thousands of years. And in some ways we've gotten a lot of comforts, I'm sure, that have benefited us in many ways. But have we really truly improved our lives? As we observe, we've only physically tired our body more. We've only put more burdens on our mental state. And we still are left with discomforts and not being truly satisfied. We could just look around the world right now. Everybody's still discontent at the end of the day. Yes, they have a little bit of temporary satisfaction, but have we truly improved? Have we truly become whole with ourselves and truly became ultimately happy and ultimately loving and pure in our essence? Now, how do we actually improve without actually trying? Well, as I just discussed, we've only gotten farther away from really getting into a better quality of life. And the reason is because we've been doing it with our minds. We've been actually going backwards. We've been actually self-sabotaging our true nature. Now, how do we improve without actually improving? Well, we have to allow for nature to take its course. Nature knows the best path, and we have to surrender to it. We have to allow for nature to truly be within our hearts. As we've been observing, we must be in our pure awareness, pure stillness, pure empty of thoughts, empty of attachments, empty of this mind believing it knows best and programs itself to have this visions of, if I do this, I will get this, and then I will be happy. And if I get this job, I will get this money, and then I will be happy. If I get this kind of car or dress this kind of way, or it's just mind telling us that if we listen to it, it knows the way. And that is the trap. That's how we've been able to get ourselves into this troublesome state that most are at very diseased with, and most are very, very ill from now, and even worse, have gone into a state they cannot get out of. People can't even get out of their own heads now. People are struggling just to be in stillness. Even as we speak right now, with everybody having to be home, people are having a hard time just being with themselves. They don't know how to be themselves. And this is the reason why I wanted to speak on this. How do we actually improve without having to actually do anything? And the key here is to surrender. To truly, truly just let nature take its course. Let life and the flow to just flow. And it will actually improve us. It will actually take us to how we're supposed to be. To really bloom and be at our potential and experience the blessings and experience the love and experience everything beyond our wildest dreams and imaginations. We just have to stop getting in the way. We just have to stop this and follow this. And truly, truly, sincerely, for all of you who are sincerely looking and going beyond looking, knowing, and going beyond knowing, actually experiencing it, you know it's true. You felt it in your heart all the time. And let me actually prove it to you right now. How when you trust your heart, you will ultimately align to your best self, to your best life. And here it is. You right now know exactly what you need to do right now. As far as what you need to eat, as far as how you need to speak, as far as what time you should go to sleep, as far as if you're thirsty to drink some water, as far as if this person's toxic to be away from them. You know this. I do not gotta tell you this, but you just have to now follow through with it, and that's how you experience it. That's how you just flow with it. Thank you guys, all you brothers and sisters. If you found this video very useful or beneficial in any way, I would really appreciate it if you like the video. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, leave a comment, and share it with more people. And have a very, very beautiful day. I love you guys. Namaste. Amitabha. Peace be with you. All is love.